I hope all of you are doing well, all of you are safe and sound. This is a small video regarding the clarification what a lot of students have asked us, and all of you know that ICAI has postponed the examinations. Please remember, postponed, not cancelled. Okay, they have postponed the examination. Now some students have a doubt about this new exam dates. See, even I don't know, even the institute doesn't know. I think even Modi ji also doesn't know, when will things get down to normal and when can we have the examination. But if you ask me, if whatever answer I tell you, it will be based on a guesswork only. It will be based on my understanding. But what I feel is in the next 5 to 7 days they will take stock of the situation, and at least at non-critical areas they might consider conducting the examination. My hunch says they will try to complete the examination in this month itself. That is what what my hunch says. As far as foundation is concerned, they have not included foundation in that notification, so we have to wait till that time. Continue studies. Don't think that your exams have been postponed. Continue studying for foundation. Now another question is, sir, what happens to September attempt? Assume September attempt will happen as per its originally planned dates only. Okay, don't let us not assume that September examination will be postponed. So that is as far as the new exam dates are concerned. Second, validity of our classes. So the classes would be valid till 31st of May. Typically we give examination validity, that is on the last date of the examination the access is revoked. Now we have we'll set it to 31st of May, so all of you will automatically see this in your dashboard as the validity being 31st of May. Make use of this opportunity to complete any balance portions which have been left out. That is the second thing. Now what to do next? Now few things what to do next. How to plan for CA final and CA inter. So for final you are left with only two subjects now, paper 5 and paper 6, and for inter you have paper 4, paper 5 and paper 6. ICAI will give at least 4 or 5 days notice before they restart the examination. So if your preparation is fully done, if you have done revisions also sufficiently, at this point of time don't overthink about revising. Once the institute announce, you can revise paper 5 and paper 6. For final students, you can make use of this extra time to revise the SPOM set A and set B, which is relevant for paper number 6, and also practice as much as case studies as possible. Okay, that is from the point of view of CA final. For CA inter, audit has been a headache, so please focus on revising more, writing more on audit. That is one thing what you should be doing. And a lot of us have this distraction problem. Even for me also, the moment I get up, I would be onto Twitter, news, with news websites and all of that, trying to get information of what is happening. So of course everybody is concerned. My suggestion is there is no harm in taking information out, but don't spend unnecessarily extra time. And one more problem is the news are not authentic always. Like yesterday night what they were disclosing, nothing of that sort happened. The news headlines were Islamabad has been captured, but nothing of that sort has happened. So be careful what you consume at this point of time. Focus should be on study, right? And that is what our primary focus is. Some students have message saying there is slight inconvenience here. This much of inconvenience we should be able to take. Given the situation of war, we should be able to take. We are not going to the border and fighting. We should be able to take this small inconvenience of postponement or rescheduling of the examination, and pray that the army comes victorious. We succeed in the effort that you are trying to make at the border. That is our intention, that is our prayer, and we should be thankful that because we have a good defense mechanism, we are safe and sound, and I pray all of us remain safe and sound. That is the only intention at this point of time. Take care of your health, stay safe, and especially for those who are in the border areas and all, the situation is escalating. Stay safe and take care of yourself, take care of your family, and keep your focus on your studies. Jai Hind.